Tom, are you ready for our lesson today?
Yes.
Today we are learning the letter S, which sounds S. Yes, well done. Okay, repeat after me. S, sun.
S, sun.
This is a sun.
This is a sun. This is a sun.
S, sock.
S, sock.
This is a sock.
This is a sock.
S, seal.
S, seal.
This is a seal.
This is a seal.
S, soap.
S, soap.
This is soap.
It is soap.
Well done. Let's now do a little quiz. Repeat after me. S, sun.
S, sun.
S, soap.
S, soap.
S, sun.
S, sun.
S, soap.
S, soap.
Can you point to the sun? Wow, well done. And what about these? S, socks.
S, sock.
S, seal.
S, seal.
S, socks.
S, sock.
S, seal.
S, seal.
Can you point to the socks? Yes, well done. And let's do one more. What about these? S, seal.
S, seal.
S, soap.
S, soap.
S, seal.
S, seal.
S, soap.
S, soap.
Can you point to the soap? Wow, well done. High five. Let's do one quick review of all the words we've learnt, okay?
Yes.
Can you tell me what this is?
It a sun.
This is a sun.
This is a sun. This is a sun. This is a sea. This is a soap.
Well done. High five. Thank you. Bye.